Lisa Ma, Playboy Cardi, Mark Moore, Luca Saba, and Ian.
I don't know what you're watching, but sure. Okay, what else are you going to show? Waze?
Yeah, so basically you go here, and then you can change the thing to
But you have to change it
Bluetooth.
to...
Yep, you're gonna have to manually set it, but all the apps work. So if I go to Waze, and if we do like route guidance,
You have to tilt your phone in order to get it every time, right?
bring me to McDonald's.
Okay, searching for McDonald's.
Where's the music coming from?
It's just in the background. Okay, that works.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it. I think we're all set.
Okay.